The news is not good for Washington Nationals rookie pitching phenom Stephen Strasburg. ESPN reported on August 27, 2010 that Strasburg has a torn elbow ligament in his pitching arm and will likely require Tommy John surgery to repair it. ESPN quotes Nationals manager Mike Rizzo as saying an MRI on the 22-year-old Strasburg's right elbow showed a significant tear. Strasburg will reportedly seek a second opinion before proceeding with any surgery. Strasburg's injury apparently came during a game against the Philadelphia Phillies on August 21, 2010. Initially, the Washington Nationals said Strasburg had a strained flexor tendon in the forearm. ESPN says after an initial MRI on August 22 raised questions, a more extensive MRI was ordered. That MRI revealed the torn elbow ligament. Stephen Strasburg was the #1 overall pick in the 2009 Major League Baseball draft. In August of 2009, Strasburg inked a more than $15 million four-year deal with the Washington Nationals. To date, Strasburg has started in just 12 games. If he does indeed have Tommy John reconstructive surgery on his elbow, how long will he be out? ESPN says the operation requires 12 to 18 months of rehabilitation. How is Strasburg handling all of this? The Washington Post says he was stunned by the news. The Post quotes Strasburg's agent, Scott Boras, as saying that Strasburg learned the true extent of his injury in a meeting with the Nationals on Thursday, August 26, 2010. Boras says by the end of the conversation and dealing with the emotions of it, he was already developing a very strategic plan for his work, everything from seeing doctors to his recovery. For more information on this topic, visit the link below.